Hello friends, welcome to the Drive the World channel. Let's see the process of joining the plastics. There are several techniques for the joining the plastics. Equipment cost and labor for each method vary considerably. Most of techniques have limits on the size and types of plastic that can be joined. Types of the joining plastics. First is mechanical fastening, second fusion bonding, third is hot gas welding, fourth is vibration welding, solvent bonding, ultrasonic welding, induction welding, dielectric welding. Let's discuss mechanical fastening. The simplest way to join the plastic parts is to design a fastening element hinge latch detent into the part. Only stronger plastics are suitable for this method. Joint must have survived the strain of assembly, service load, and possible repeated use. This form of fastening is suitable only for lightly loaded, no rigid assemblies where precision is not critical. Mechanical fasteners, screw, rivet, pins, sheet metal, nuts are the most common joining methods. They require a plastic that can withstand the strain of fastener insertion and subsequent high stress around the fastener. Conventional machine screws are rarely used except with extremely strong plastic. There are number of fasteners designed for use with plastic. Threaded fastener work best on thick section. Thread forming screw are preferred for soft material, while thread cutting screw work best on hard plastic. Push-on lock nut and clips may be better for thinner sections. If a fastener has to be removed a number of times, metal inserts are recommended. They may be molded in place, forced, glued, or expanded into the hole or inserted ultrasonically. There are two main categories of industrial fastener, permanent and non-permanent. Screws are example of non-permanent fastener since they can be removed, replaced and reused. Failure is normally a result of cracking or creasing due to tensile stress that can be induced under the high pressure. Compressive stress is much more desirable due to the lower susceptibility to localized stressing cracking. Use screw in mechanical fastening as per head design, washer type, hex and square, philister, truss and pan head. As per first image, to fastening the part with screw need to provide boss between two surfaces and also use standoff according to application. In shown picture, don't use the circular hole to fastening two parts. If we provide oblong shape at one side and other side oblong shape, the fitment will be correct.